Welcome back everyone. In this video we will use VBA macros to just create a data entry form. For example, we have created like a form like this. Whenever we insert a record, after inserting a record by pressing this button, we will record save and add that record to our database. Okay, we will add our records here down from this table. So let's do it. I have to perform this action using VBA macro. Just simply create these fields: ID, name, gender, and address. Then another in a second column, just add these columns, and third column leave as empty. We will insert our record here, and here we have a merge field, and we have just written data entry form. Now let's create a button. So to create a button, for that we will move to insert tab. In the insert tab, come here to the illustration, to the shapes. After coming to the shapes, now let's insert this one, a shape. Like, let's create that and add to that add/save, is used for adding and saving a record. Come here to the home and bring it to the center, bold the text, even italic it, increase the size, come here to the shape format and add a style like this style or this style. That is okay. Now let's come here to the view and just uncheck the grid lines. So it looks like this. Now whenever we insert a record, so by pressing this button, we will store that inside database. So let's first of all just copy this header, copy that, come here to the database and paste that here. So to paste that, for that, come here to the home and we will transport that. Come here to the paste special and transpose it. Check transpose option, press OK. So it will paste as a row. Now let's insert the records. So to insert the records, for that simply let's just insert a record, the first record here. Let's now start the macro. So to start the macro, for that, come here to the developer tab. If the developer tab was not available in your menus, right click and customize the ribbon. Just check the developer tab and come here to this record a macro. After recording a macro, let's assign a name, forum. Press OK. So the macro has been started. Come here to the forum, just copy this data, Control C. After copying the data, let's move to the database. In the database, just right click to the right side of this header like here, then press Control down arrow key to move to the last row up sheet, then Control left arrow key to move to the first column, then Control plus up arrow key up to move back to the data. After moving to the data, now here just turn on the use relative reference in the developer tab. After checking that, press down arrow key. After coming here to the second row, now paste your data, like paste special, transpose, press OK. After pasting your data, right click to come here back and uncheck the use relative reference, go back to the forum and delete the data and just select in first ID, first field. That is okay. Now let's stop our recording. After stopping recording, now let's assign that macro to this add to or save. Right click, assign macro, forum, press OK. That is okay. Let's insert our second record. Press add or save button. Let's move to the database. Look at, we have our data here. Second record. Let's insert the third record. Press that, move to the database. Look at, we have our third record here. So that is how we can create this data entry form in MS Excel using VBA macro. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.